Okay, someone wanted to see the bag that I take to work with all my food in it. This is my very, very, very full lunch bag today because I'm basically making everything that I'm eating at work except my wrap. So it's a full one today. Good morning, it is Wednesday. I have on my lips this, I forgot what it's called. Oh, Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. My lips are tingling. I love this stuff. It's insane, but it kind of feels good. Anyway, I did not have time this morning to film much of anything because for the recipe challenge, I'm trying to make as many recipes as I can. I'm actually making 2 recipes today, but I'm making them at work. So what I did is I just brought all of the ingredients with me. So I'm going to be making these pumpkin spice mug muffin for breakfast. So I have all the stuff with me. And then for lunch, I'm having a steak wrap, which I did take a photo of that so I can show you guys. It's just steak with some fat-free shredded mozzarella, and I'm gonna dip it in some G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce. So a steak wrap, and then I'm making the Weight Watchers creamy chilled cucumber soup. So that is my plan for today at work. Hopefully making this stuff, actually making it at work, doesn't take too long, and I can film a little bit of it for you. Probably not film, but hopefully at least take some photos so you guys can see the progress, and then I'll tell you how they turn out. So I hope the pumpkin spice mug muffin turns out well because I'm making that again on Friday. So there's that, and I hope the soup turns out good too, because to me, cucumber soup, a cold cucumber soup, actually sounds really good and really refreshing. So I hope it turns out well. I don't know if I'm going to take any of my breaks today. My friend that I usually walk with at lunch, he's gone today, so I need to get some errands done at lunch. So I'm not sure what kind of breaks I'll take today. I really need to run to the post office and just get some stuff done. So I'll check in with you guys as I can, and hopefully be able to show you some of these recipes. I hope you guys are making some of the recipes. If you are participating in the recipe challenge, the challenge is just to make as many new recipes in October as you can. I have a recipe challenge calendar which lists all of the recipes I've got so far, I think up to the 15th or the 16th of October. And then I have a recipe challenge list of recipes, so check the description box. It will have all of the recipes in the recipe challenge recipe lists, all of the recipes for the recipe challenge. I'm working still on adding the rest of the recipes for October, and I'm trying to do that as quickly as possible because I know some of you probably meal plan and you'd rather know ahead of time what the recipes might be so that you can work them into your meal plan. So hopefully I can work on that today and add a few more recipes and a few more days worth of recipes. So watch for that. Keep checking back to the recipe challenge. I'm having fun with it, and the recipes I've made so far, really good. Probably I'd have to say the best one so far is that cheesy chicken broccoli casserole. I can't remember who submitted that. I want to say it was Mandy Jackson, but maybe not. I can't remember who submitted that, but that was really good. I am a casserole person because it's comfort food to me. But what I love about that one is that it's so low in points that you can have like a really good comforting amount and still be low in points. So that was a good one. And then probably the second recipe that I like so far is Michelle's recipe for just the Instapot chicken. It's not that I loved the recipe or loved the chicken so much, but that it's just so versatile. Like, it's just so easy to just throw a chunk of chicken in the crock pot or the Instapot and then have it like for the rest of the week, or you can, I actually need to go home and freeze some of mine for future recipes, so I like that one too. Anyway, I'll check in with you guys and show you some of these recipes as I make them. Hey guys, I hate doing so many car videos, but I'm really excited. I wanted to show you guys my new Boxycharm box. I got another Boxycharm box already. I'm super excited. I love it. I love everything in it already. But I also want to tell you about the pumpkin spice mug muffin. Thank you, D. Harris, for the recipe. I made that for breakfast this morning. Very good, very filling. It tasted more like banana than I expected, which is not a bad thing because I do like banana, but it was more like a banana pumpkin muffin. It was really good. It was very filling, very large, very delicious. So that was good. I will make it again. Thank you, Dee. Now let me show you guys what I got in my Boxycharm because I'm loving Boxycharm. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna show you is this. I put it away already. Is this Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. I just put it on. It's very smooth. It's just the right thickness, not too thick and not too watery. And it also has just a real light, delicate scent, not too flowery. So I love it. It makes my hands feel really soft right now. So I'm really loving that. The next thing I got, I have not tried. This is a Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. It's a hair repair mask. I should have tried it this morning, but I totally forgot in the shower. So I'm excited to try that. I think my coworker said it's a leave-in hair mask, so that'll be great. I need that. And then the next three items I'm super excited about. So this is a superhero lash. Let me read the box. It's by Superhero. It is Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. It says 96% said lashes look stretched, 96% saw dramatic volume and length, 96% saw plumper looking lashes, and 100% saw a fuller lash line. That is Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I'm super excited to try this. I'm not going to try it for a while because I have this thing about trying, like leaving mascaras open, because I know mascara dries out quicker than a lot of other products. You can't really leave it open for a while. So I'm big on using up the mascara that I already have open before I open another one. The one I'm using right now is the Smoke and Mirrors 99-cent store mascara, and it's the False Fibers, which is still ridiculously wet. Like there's so much product inside it. So I'm not going to open this one for a while until I use all of the Smoke and Mirrors, but I'm super excited to try this. I want to see stretched lashes. I want to see fuller lashes. Okay, then I got this awesome, beautiful Kat Von D liquid lipstick. Look at the color. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I loved liquid lipstick probably about a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago, and then I kind of fell out of love a little bit because it was so drying to my lips. Now I think I've figured out how to actually wear it. I pair it with some just regular chapstick and it helps with the wear, but I'm in love with this color. It's so beautiful. My coworker, who is darker skinned than I am, she got a much darker cocoa colored looking one, but beautiful, just beautiful colors. And Kat Von D is really good product. So this alone is probably worth 20 bucks, which is what I spent on the Boxycharm. It's 20 bucks. So, but full-size products, I'm loving it. And then the last item I'm super excited to try also, probably definitely worth 20 bucks as well. This is a Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette. And this is what it looks like. Ah, so beautiful. So there's some highlighter, looks like, I don't know what the darker colors are, maybe some little bit of bronzing, some blush, and then over on this side are all of the eyeshadows. Super excited to try these. It's so beautiful. I feel like such an artiste with a brand new face palette. So I'm very excited to try this, but I love all of the items again in my Boxycharm. I feel like it's so worth the value, so worth the $20. So if you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I do have a link down below in the description box, but I gotta run into work right now and get some more work done. So I just want to show you guys what I had. I'm so super excited. Can't wait to use some of this stuff. Okay, no breaks for me today. It was one of those days. My hair is totally sticking up. Bam. No walk breaks. I did not even walk at lunch. I just did a few errands, but that's okay. I was telling Dee that there are just some days when I just don't really care. So this was one of those days. I'm okay with it. Tomorrow is a new day and I'll try a little harder. I am turning into a creature of habit because between the salmon salad that I can't get enough of and the movie theater popcorn, I am turning into a creature of habit because yes, tonight I'm going to see A Star is Born, and I'm so excited because I love Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga has the most amazing voice. So I'm really excited to see this movie. I can't wait. I have my popcorn, Pop Secret. One bag of Pop Secret popcorn is 7 smart points. I also have a banana and an apple, so not a very exciting dinner, but it's functional. The Weight Watchers creamy chilled cucumber soup was delicious. I did not bring lemon juice and I did not use salt and pepper because I was just basically in a hurry this morning trying to gather all the ingredients for everything that I needed to actually make it work today. But it was easy enough and fast enough that I could make it at work. I took my little mini blender with me and it went super easy and it was still delicious and refreshing. I would imagine that the lemon juice and the pepper would give it a little more zing. So I would recommend using lemon juice and pepper if you can, but it was delicious. I liked it. I really liked it. It was very refreshing, and also because of the yogurt, the protein in the yogurt, it was just filling enough too. So it was really good. 0 smart points. Anyway, so I'm off to see A Star is Born. I'll check in with you after the movie, let you know what I thought. Bradley Cooper.